Marijuana will soon be legalized here in Arizona. Proposition 207, the push to legalize it, officially passed by voters. Here are the latest numbers. Prop 207 passing with 60% of the vote, won by more than 500,000 yes votes. So what happens next? When will it officially be legal to have a small amount of marijuana on you for recreational use? Erin getting some answers this morning.
Yeah, other than the presidential election, who's the actual president right now, this is another talker throughout our community. Many people wondering, now that this proposition has passed, what actually makes this legally binding and law? And for that reason, I want to go ahead and bring in Kaine Fisher here with the Rhodes Law Group to kind of break things down for us. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, so Proposition 207 passes, making recreational marijuana legal in Arizona, but people can't run out to dispensaries just yet.
Yes, it's not official just yet. Everybody be patient. I know everybody's very excited about it, but it's going to take a couple to 2 to 3 weeks to canvass the vote, and then the vote will be certified. And at that point, it will become official. And then that will set off a process that may take another couple, 3 months. So between January and March of next year, the Arizona Department of Health Services will start taking initial applications. They'll issue about 145 initial licenses for people to open up dispensaries or with current dispensaries so that they can begin selling recreational marijuana. And then after that, it'll be a petition process that will be implemented. And the Department of Health Services has until about April 5th to create the structure, the taxing, the structure that will take place, the licensing structure. So, there'll be 3 or 4 months there at the beginning of the year until things are up and running with the dispensaries. But here in a couple, 3 weeks, it's going to be legal officially in Arizona, which is a pretty big step. And I know a lot of people have been working very hard to get that to happen.
Speaking of a lot of people are also talking about decriminalization, whether or not, this becoming legal, recreational marijuana becoming legal, what this could mean for people with prior possession charges.
Well, first of all of the ongoing cases will stop immediately and probably will be dismissed. And depending on who wins the county attorney election, some of the simple possession cases may automatically be vacated without any of the defendants having to take any action whatsoever. They may very well open up their mail one day and get a letter from the government that says that their conviction has been vacated. Now listen, it's important to understand, Arizona doesn't have what we call expungement. They have sealing the file and vacating a conviction. It's going to be interesting to see whether the county attorney then kind of reads into the law an expungement process based out of all of this. That's yet to be seen. But, if your case is not automatically sealed or automatically vacated, then in the summer of next year, you'll be able to start petitioning to get that done. And there's also actually some funding. So some of the tax money, the revenue that's generated from the recreational use marijuana will be used to assist defendants to get their records sealed and vacated and potentially expunged if that's read into the law. So I found that to be pretty interesting. And also another interesting factor here is that, officers smelling marijuana can no longer be used as probable cause to pull somebody over or to stop them or to search them. So
all right.
I found that to be an interesting change in the law as well.
Thank you so much, Kaine. So obviously this is something that we are going to be talking about for quite some time.